Hello and welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Afterpay on eBay. So, without any further ado, let's start the video. Firstly, you have to open any of your browsers on your desktop and search for Afterpay. After searching Afterpay, just open the first option there, and it will redirect you to the main tab of Afterpay. Shortly after going to the homepage of Afterpay, there is this search option. You just simply have to search eBay in this search bar here and click on the first eBay shop option that pops up. After clicking there, it will redirect you to the eBay site, and you can choose any of the items that you want to buy. Click on Buy Now or Add to Cart. After going to the cart, there is this option for checkout. After clicking on the checkout, it will ask for your login. You just simply have to log in, and there will be the option for you to pay through Afterpay. I hope this video helped you. If yes, then make sure to like this video and share it with your friends. We will keep making this kind of helpful content in the future. So, if you don't want to miss any of this helpful content, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We'll meet very soon in another video. Till then, be safe and keep loving.